Hey folks, this is Christopher David with Arcade City. We are building the peer-to-peer services layer on top of Bitcoin. We are an existing project. We've tried and failed to meaningfully integrate with Ethereum, and we've been looking for technology that can actually support our use case of decentralizing the gig economy. The questions we came into this hackathon with are, is the Lightning Network appropriate for us to build on? If so, is the Lightning Network ready for us to build on? Can non-technical users benefit without needing to learn upfront about private key management or node setup? To what extent is the Lightning Network's technology or network topology a limiting factor? And can Impervious help us implement our use case? To cut to the chase, our questions were all definitively answered with this architecture. We have a basic sample app demonstrating this at the code at this link. While it is super cool that peer-to-peer chat and messages can go between nodes, that does not answer for us the question of how non-technical users are going to be using nodes in the first place. We don't want to do what Sphinx Chat does in this regard. We love Sphinx Chat, but their architecture requires everyone to set up their own relay node. We don't want to ask riders and drivers to set up their own relay nodes. Not yet. The question is, can we do what Blue Wallet did with their LND hub implementation, in which new users don't need to set up their own LND. They don't need to worry about inbound channel liquidity. Most users will begin with the default setting of connecting to the Blue Wallet LND hub instance, but savvy users can swap that out for their own. That pattern seems to make sense also with Impervious. Both Impervious and LND hub are daemons that run on top of LND. This application is connecting to both LND hub and Impervious. We're excited to find Impervious because we were all gearing up to fork LND Hub to add support for key send so we can do this peer-to-peer chat kind of like Sphinx Chat does, but Impervious already offers this, so we'll use Impervious. Now I'm recording this video from Puerto Rico where there's a driver here who's taken crypto payments for years. He's built a network of thousands of drivers, taxi drivers, and he's interested to help them take crypto payments. That is the perfect use case for one person that we want to set up their own node. Because if he can have all of the drivers sign up and connect to his LND hub, then he can set a fee on that and earn sats on all of those transactions. We will decentralize the network topology of our implementation through incentivizing drivers to fold their network of riders and drivers onto the Lightning Network. Now, we only heard about this hackathon a few days ago, and so didn't have too much time to build, but we're excited to continue with this in the future.